All right, so we did a turf toe shape job with the athletic tape, and then just quickly with this video, we're just going to show where there's some other alternatives, and the alternatives sometimes I actually like to use a moleskin. So all things considered, going back to like spraying in the position of the foot, so we'll spray with tough skin. Of course, I can do this on our model right now, but there's pre-cut. I just happen to cut this out this way. Would go ahead and put the moleskin on this way, so I'll peel the back here in just a second. And then same thing, we just go ahead and pull that toe into that neutral position and then secure things down. So sometimes this is a quicker one, and moleskin is really, it's very, very strong in terms of stability of the tape itself and all that. So I just get that set up there, and then I'll secure that with some athletic tape. So we'll use this one just really super duper quick over the toe here. Tear that off. All right, and then what we can do from there is then looking at the toe and then pulling it kind of into a neutral position, get him to relax. Okay, and then we just go ahead then and rub that moleskin down, and then we just go ahead and secure the moleskin with some athletic tape. And so here we'll just do like one or two into the arch. So we've got like one, then two. And we're pretty much done there. Just make sure that you spray with your tough skin when we're doing some of these. We're not spraying our athletes just to show this, but sometimes this tape doesn't want to stick that well. So again, definitely use your tough skin. All right. So again, that's just an alternative. Again, if you can see that, using the moleskin, right, instead of the athletic tape. Of course, we're using the athletic tape to secure it. But moleskin though for the restraint. All right, cool.